Maya's heart pounded as she stood outside the old school auditorium, staring at the closed door that separated her from Liam, her best friend since kindergarten. Her hands trembled, clutching the crumpled note he had slipped into her locker 2 days ago, the note filled with apologies and regret, but also a sting of betrayal. For months, Liam had kept a secret from Maya. He had spread a rumor that embarrassed her in front of their entire class, all because of a careless mistake she made in a group project. To Maya, the betrayal wasn't just the rumor. It was the shattering of trust she thought was unbreakable. Her goal was simple, yet daunting: to find the strength to forgive Liam and to understand if their friendship could be rebuilt. The conflict between them wasn't just about the rumor, but also about the unspoken pain and hurt from past misunderstandings and disappointments. The night before, Maya had replayed every hurtful word, every glance of disappointment, and every moment she'd felt abandoned by the one person she trusted the most. She knew forgiving Liam would not mean forgetting what happened or pretending it didn't hurt. It meant something deeper, choosing to let go of the bitterness that held her hostage. As the door creaked open, Liam's eyes met hers, filled with a mix of remorse and hope. The silence between them was thick, heavy with what had been lost and what might still be saved. Maya took a deep breath and spoke with the honesty that only years of friendship could build. "I was hurt, Liam. Not just by what you said, but because I thought you cared more about me." Her voice cracked with vulnerability, revealing how much this moment meant. Liam nodded, stepping closer. "I was scared, Maya, scared of losing you, so I did the stupidest thing to protect myself. But I'm sorry, truly. I want to make this right." In that raw exchange, Maya realized forgiveness wasn't about forcing Liam to be perfect or erasing the past. It was about healing herself, reclaiming her strength, and opening the door to understanding. She understood that forgiveness is not an instant gift, but a process, a courageous decision to release resentment and embrace hope. They agreed to rebuild, knowing it wouldn't be easy or immediate. They committed to being honest, patient, and compassionate, both with each other and themselves. Forgiveness had not made the pain disappear, but it had freed her heart to hope again. She learned that forgiving a friend isn't about winning or losing, but choosing peace over bitterness, choosing love over anger. The art of forgiving, she discovered, was the art of growing stronger through vulnerability, a lesson that would stay with her far beyond the halls of their school. This story highlights how resilience, vulnerability, and inner motivation come together in the difficult journey of forgiveness. Forgiveness emerges not as weakness or forgetting, but as a profound personal strength that heals wounds and nurtures growth in relationships. True forgiveness frees both the forgiver and the forgiven, transforming pain into the possibility of renewed trust and deeper understanding.